Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video we are going to learn how you can save Tumblr blogs data into Dropbox automatically. So let's take an example that you are a blogger and you are uploading some new post or you are creating some new post in your Tumblr account on a frequent basis. Now you want to save all those posts on your Dropbox account, so that a backup can be created and even you can access all those posts at a specific location. For this, we need to create a connection between your Tumblr account and your Dropbox, so that whenever a new post is created, automatically its details are saved in your Dropbox. For this, we need to create a connection, and to create a connection, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process now on my screen. So welcome back to my screen. Here let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. And you are going to get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Tumblr to Dropbox integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever we upload a new blog in our Tumblr account, automatically the same blog details should be saved on our Dropbox. For that, we have to just open this trigger window and here we have to choose the application name as Tumblr. In the trigger event, we have to select new post in my blog. Click on connect, click on add new connection and click on connect with Tumblr. Now as I am already logged into my Tumblr account, it is asking Pabbly Connect request the following permissions to access your account. So let's click on allow and give away the access over here. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Tumblr account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the type. So whether you want to publish a post or a blog that is a text type or a quote or a video, audio, so you can select it as per your requirement. So in my case, I am selecting it as a photo and here we have to select our blog. So my blog name is Pabbly, which is automatically captured. Now before clicking on save and send test request, we are going to create a new post in our Tumblr account. Let's create a new blog. Here we have to just click on this photo button. We have to just upload the images from the system. So I am just selecting this core integrations image and in the caption I'll just add core integrations. Okay, and let's click on post now. So here we can see that we have created a new post, Pabbly Connect core integrations, and this is the caption for that. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now we are going to just click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received and all the details of the new post are captured over here. When we scroll down, here we can find our blog name, okay, and here we can find the slug as core integrations, and this is the summary, this is the title which we have given. And when we scroll down, here we can find the URL which is in the HTML format. So now from this particular format, we want to retrieve the URL just because to share or to save a post in our Dropbox or somewhere else, we need the URL. For that, just come to this action step and choose the application name as text formatter. Select the action event as basic formatting, text basic formatting. Let's click on connect. Now here we need to map the string. So we are going to just map this body from where we want to extract the URL. So let us map the body in this string from Tumblr and let us find the same. Okay. Now here we need to give transform. So let us give it as extract URL. Okay. From this particular string, the URL will be extracted. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received and the URL is extracted over here. Okay. Now to save this particular URL in our Dropbox, we need the extension separately. So we need to just remove this extension from the URL. For that, again come to this plus sign and click on add action step. Choose the application name as text formatter once again. Select the action event as split text this time. Click on connect. Now here we need to map the text that needs to be splitted. So we are going to map this particular result of our text formatter from our second step. So let's come to this second step and from here let us map the result. Now here we have to give the separator. So I'm just giving the separator as this dot sign. Okay. And after that we have to just select the segment index. So we want that after this particular dot, the last index should get extracted. For that, let us select the index as last and click on save and send test request. So here we have got the extension that is PNG file. Now we want to save this particular file into the Dropbox, or we want to upload it on Dropbox. So click on this plus sign, add action step. Choose the application name as Dropbox. Select the action event as upload file. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Dropbox. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Dropbox account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Dropbox account. So make sure before creating a connection you are logged into your Dropbox account. Now here we have to give the file URL. So we have already extracted the file URL over here from the second step. So we will be mapping these details now. Okay. So let's scroll down and here let us map the file URL from text formatter, and this was the URL. And here we have to map the file name, and the instruction is also mentioned. That name of the file with the proper extension should be given over here. So our file name should be the core integrations, and after that I'll just add a dot, and then we are going to map the PNG file that we have extracted from our text formatter. So the file name would be core integrations.png. Now here we have to give the folder path. Where do you want to save this particular file in your Dropbox account? So I'll just take you to my Dropbox, and in this particular account I have created various folders. So now I want all the Tumblr data to be saved in this particular folder named Tumblr Uploads. So I have to mention the same folder name over here in Pabbly Connect. For that I have to just give the folder path, that is /Tumblr Uploads. So I'll be just entering the folder path over here, that is Tumblr Uploads, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means our post is saved in our Dropbox account. Let's check it. Here we can find the file name as coreintegrations.png, and I'm just going to open and check it. Okay, and here we can see that the correct image is saved over here. So in this way our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now as we have created an automation between Tumblr and Dropbox, next time whenever you are going to upload a new blog post in your Tumblr account, automatically the blog post will be uploaded to your Dropbox account automatically. So let's check this in the real time, that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that I'm just going to my Tumblr account once again, and here we are going to just upload a new image from our system. And let us select the image as new use cases for Pabbly Connect. Okay, and I'm just going to give the content as same, that is new use cases. Okay, and let's click on post now. So here we can see that our post has been uploaded. Now let's check our Dropbox account. And we have to just refresh our Dropbox. And even after refreshing, we can't find the post details saved in our Dropbox, just because the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So we have to wait for some time. Okay, and here we can see the new file is saved over here named new use cases.png. And let's open and check this file. Okay, and here we can see that the correct image is saved over here. So in this way, our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Tumblr and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new post that you have uploaded in your Tumblr blog. Then we have used text formatter, just because for saving a file in a Dropbox or somewhere else, we need the URL. So we have just extracted the URL because the URL was in the HTML format. Okay. Then we have used the text formatter once again, just because for saving a file in Dropbox, we need the extension separately. And at last, using all these details, we have saved or we have uploaded the file in our Dropbox account. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Tumblr and Dropbox using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.